How to appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can appear offline on WhatsApp even when you are online. So first of all, let's open our WhatsApp app. Now once you've opened your WhatsApp, tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. After that, go to settings and now go to account. After that, it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option privacy, and then you'll be provided a bunch of different options. So in order to appear offline even when you are online on WhatsApp, you'll have to first of all change few settings. The first one being last seen, so you'll have to change it to nobody. And if the option nobody doesn't show up on your device, what you can do is tap on my contacts except, and then without selecting anyone, simply tick, and then your last seen will be changed to nobody. First of all, change your last seen. Secondly, if your read receipts is turned on, you'll have to turn this option off. And now finally go to status, and after that go to my contacts except, and then select everybody. Now once you've selected everybody, simply tick, which is on the bottom right corner of your screen, and now your status will be hidden from everybody on your contact list. Or you could also tap on only share with and then simply tick without selecting anyone. This way, even if you add contacts, they will still not be shown your status on WhatsApp. And that is how you appear offline on WhatsApp. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.